Hello friends, I am Shravana Lakshmi Pisupati and welcome to my channel Sparkling Future. Today we will see how to resolve bind Spark UI exception in Spark. Before starting with today's topic, I request all of you to subscribe to my channel and also please like, share, comment and hit the bell icon for the new video notifications. So friends, while working in the Spark projects, you might have encountered this exception, like Spark UI failed to bind Spark UI. These kind of port related error exceptions you might have encountered. So usually when a Spark job starts, right? So that time every Spark context launches a web UI. Using that web UI only you will get to know the information about the Spark job, like how many worker nodes, how many tasks, and also what is the name, what is the start time, end time, everything you will get to know from the web UI. So that what is the default port for that web UI for Spark, which is 4040 is the default port for the Spark. So for example, if some other job is running, okay, then that port is busy serving the other job. That time what will happen? Spark automatically launches the job to the other port, consecutive port like 4041 or 4042, 4043. So like this it keeps assigning the jobs to the ports. So for example, if 4040 is busy, then it checks for the consecutive port 4041, next 4042. Like that it checks for 16 times. Okay, 16 times it will check. In that 16 times 16 ports are busy, then it will throw this exception. So today we will see what setting we have to do for resolving this exception. So let's go to Eclipse. So I have a simple code, I mean some sample Scala code, okay, Spark Scala code. So I'm just running this. Now it will show this exception. If you see here, fail to bind to 4056. If you notice from 4040, see starting from 4040, it checked for 16 times, which is 4056 port. Now all the ports are busy for some reason, because they are serving the other jobs, or they might be down, or there might be some network issue. Whatever reason it is, it checks for the 16 times. Even in the 16 retries, if it is not able to get a port, then it will throw this Spark UI bind exception. And it also suggests you can change this option, spark.port.max retries. So see, this is the beauty of the Spark. It is throwing the exception for this reason, and it specifies the solution as well, where you can modify. So that 16 is the default one. If you wanted to change it, you can change this option, this setting, spark.port.max retries to 20 or 25, how many ports you have leftover ports, right? So based on that you can set this count as well. Now this is one of the solutions. We can go and modify the max retries to from 16 to 30 or whatever, 20, whatever, how many ports you have, right? Based on that you can modify this. Or if you want, you in this one itself, in the code itself, you can just change the config in this place. While defining the Spark session, right, you can pass this configuration like Spark port and pass something, okay. It will check from there again. If you give 100, it will start from 100, 101, 102, something like that. So whatever number you want, you can pass it. So I am just giving it as 0, so it will start from 0, 1, 2, like that. 16 retries it will do. So in between, if second port is available, then immediately it will assign the job to that second port. Okay, so now I have given the config, I am running the job. If you notice, that exception is resolved now. Okay, see, that exception is not coming and it has printed the output as well. Okay, So don't get confused. This exception is related to WinUtils. This is something else. There is a video on this as well. You can go and watch it. And our bind exception is resolved. And we are able to see the output as well. Okay. So friends, hope this is useful to you. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel for more interesting learnings. Thank you.